Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add friends in Sonic Rumble. First of all, launch open the Sonic Rumble game on your device and make sure that you're inside the main home page. Once you're inside Sonic Rumble home screen, go ahead and tap on the two human icons at the bottom center of the screen, which will open up the Friends tab. From the Friends tab, you will see Add Friends option. Go ahead and tap on the text box right underneath it and type down a friend's ID or their player name. Search for the name and in the search results, tap on the request button to send in the friend request to the contact. You can repeat this step for every other friends you like to add and simply click the request button right next to their name to send in or to add them as your friend. Once they accept your request, they'll be added in the Friends tab on the right corner. So that is how you add friends in Sonic Rumble. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.